If you're into cheap holidays packed with free cool things, stay tuned. Hi, Orlando from WishCasting. On this episode, you'll discover how to get free entrance to Seychelles' world's top beaches, how to save on transport around the islands, how to save on accommodation, how to dine till you explode with little money, all the recommended top locations by locals to avoid tourists. Our top priority is saving money and having a local experience. We have low-cost travel guides for Dubai, Italy, and plenty more. Tap this pop-up above and check them out. We also recommend watching the previous videos we've done on Seychelles, so Seychelles episode 1, 2, and 3, because they fully describe our experience and how to get around the island in the specifics. So go ahead and check that out, it's in the link just above. We're not paid for these videos, so subscribing and liking helps us a lot. So here's the trick from our last episode on getting free entrance to the most beautiful beach in the world, Anse d'Argent. Before you reach the main gate to the park, you'll find a helipad to your right. Park your bike and go to the water. You'll find a wall to your left. Walk along the wall till you'll reach the beach again. Done. You just bypassed the entrance, saving 15 euros. Ain't that a good tip? We didn't want to pay the park entrance since we've seen it already. We were only interested in the beach. It's raining now a little bit, unfortunately, but it feels great. Tropical weather. Ooh, no.
Sea star.
A sea star, I think? I don't know.
How precious.
My precious.
Okay.
And we found a really micro one. So nice. Nature and houses, wooden houses.
Beach.
It's perfect blend, perfect. This is the area that gets quite lively during the evening, I'm quite sure. I can't describe it, like vanilla and fruits, I don't know. Here, I have a flower too now. No.
Hola.
I'm blending with the society. No, I don't think so. I'm blending with the idiots. If your intentions are to visit the park, please pay for that entrance. Going to this park is extremely recommended. Not only you learn so many new things, but you get to pet centenary tortoises, you learn how coconut oil is made, you can see the vanilla plantations. The experience is great and it's cheap, and the price allows you to go to the beach as well, so it's like an all-in-one experience. Our second Seychelles episode focuses exactly on this park, so if you're interested in going there, go back and check it out. It was 3 of us going there every day. 3 people for 3 days is 135 euros we saved. Not bad at all. We invested this money into fruit cocktails by the beach and coconut water. What an amazing thing. Since we had plenty of time, we did a lot of snorkeling, some rock climbing, and sunbathing. A lot of people would call it paradise, and I think you're totally right. I mean, this is postcard stuff. You can park your bike here. If you go this way, you can reach other beaches where fewer people are. You got some waves over there, and in this area it's very calm. So you can do snorkeling here, you can actually see something, and then over there you can't see much, but you can do windsurf because there's a lot of wind. From Sri Lanka and from Indonesia. They gave me courage to come up here. Thank you. What's your name?
Suresh.
Suresh?
Yes.
Pleasure. Orlando. Your name?
Mahmoud.
Mahmoud. Pleasure to meet you. And now the big problem is going back down. So this might be my last video. If it's not, I'll see you later. Rookie! I never ever recommend something unless I'm 100% sure that I love the place. And this is one of those places. I love it.
It's horrible.
Whatever. The place is so cool that it just spontaneously makes you smile. I'm slim enough. I love it, I wanna go back. Oh my god. If you're confused and can't find the places we've been to, don't worry. Down in the description, you can find a link to all the places we've seen on this video. They're all marked in the same color. Print it and take it with you. A super recommended place to go only to take a beautiful picture for Instagram or whatever you name it is this location right here. Beautiful pictures, and just right next, a super small island with no tourists. Another tip to save money is to bring your own food and drinks in a freezer bag. What a blast! Cold beers and juices by the most beautiful beach on earth. Please make sure to throw away your trash. Other tourists don't seem to understand that. Look at what we found. Wear some sandals around the beach just to be 100% safe. Later that evening, we returned home and had dinner with our guest house hosts. We cooked side by side and learned Creole recipes, paying 25 euros per person for 4 courses and a cocktail with local Takamaka rum. So some garnish right now is gonna make a rose out of the tomato.
Let me redo it. I missed it. 1 minute. I have to redo it. No, I have to redo it.
There it is. This is a bargain since restaurants around are so expensive.
Now, let it steam. It's a local spinach.
It's from the tree right here,
Yeah.
right out the garden.
Like the Danes.
I had it today. It's right in front of my balcony. Just go there and eat it.
And in Creole, we call it boed mouroum.
What's in the broth? Is it just water and the spinach, or you add
Just water, and I add a bit of garlic, a bit of ginger.
No way. Nice.
How is it?
We have to turn the potatoes while he prepares 3 cocktails with Takamaka rum. Try Takamaka rum. It's a signature rum from the main island, Mahé. At a certain point, it started raining and it got so cozy. Candlelight and sound of rain with tropical food. What an amazing experience. While we're cooking, look how nice it is here. So nice, isn't it? Yeah. It's nice, eh? From the pots to the tummies. Really good. I love it. Are you enjoying the video? Consider subscribing. You'll be updated on new travel guides and get the best, cheapest tips. We don't get paid for these travel guides, so all possible support helps. On our 7th day, we went trekking at Point Ans Coco. It was a really long ride. First by bike through a beautiful forest, stopping for some fruit juice and ice cream. Enjoy this beautiful vegetation, these beautiful trees and rocks. We're really thirsty. We've been sweating all day, so some juice is quite right to have. That's why we stopped at Mimi's Cafe. We took a fresh guava juice, we took a fresh mixed juice, which I have no idea what it is, but we'll find out very shortly. We've been looking for these shells all day long and couldn't find them, unfortunately. Behind they have their own house. Then reaching Grand Anse, we parked the bike and trekked to Petit Anse and Point Ans Coco. The trek was tough, but very nice. The beaches were natural, untouched, but currents were dangerous, so we just roamed around in shallow water. This one right here is Grand Anse. If you come this way, then you'll get to Petit Anse in 5 minutes, and then 15 minutes to Ans Coco. A bunch of doggies here.
Oh, freaky! There you go.
Welcome to Petit Anse. Even here, it is not recommended to swim. You just pass behind the place where they sell coconuts and you keep on going this way. Always straight. You have to climb the rocks again and then you'll reach Ans Coco. We're trying to get on those rocks over there. We managed taking nice pictures, taking nice videos, but unfortunately, we came here for snorkeling and we weren't able to. The waves and the currents were just too strong. Ask in advance to some expert before coming here so you avoid these bad surprises. Crabs are black here. They jump from rock to rock. They're super quick. Lucky for us, they're afraid of humans and kept distance. Pictures here are outstanding. Take a look at this. After that, we went back home and took a shower, had a quick bite to eat, and left with the bike again. We took many beers with us in a freezer bag and went north. As we pedaled, the sun went down, so we used our phones as torches. We reached the end of the road and almost fell into a ditch because there was no road warning. Be careful or you can really get hurt. Always use torches when it gets dark. It was very windy, dark purple sky, and strong sea waves, a unique starry sky. We went back to enjoy our beers by the beach and stumbled upon a huge black rock in the middle of the road. We took a closer look and found out it wasn't a rock, but a huge centenary tortoise that randomly fell asleep in the middle of the road.
Maybe the waves are coming, so it's gonna help her to move a little bit off the rock.
All right. We parked our bike and enjoyed our beers by the sea. Some curious crabs tagged along as we enjoyed the view. A good beer. Eku from here and Sebrew from here, locally brewed. A la salute, na zdravi. Cheers. Cheers. On our 8th day, we took it easy. It was raining very hard, so we took our books and read by the porch. I then took the bike and went north to do some photography and videos. I love rain, and I took these. It is really nice, but whoa, so much rain. This is the northern part of the island. It's going towards the north point, and there's several beautiful small hotels built right next to these really big rocks. Renting the bike here is quite expensive. You're gonna find places that offer 150 rupees per day, 12 or 13 euros. Well, I got this one for 100 per day, and I said that I was staying for 4 days, so they gave me 1 day for free. So in the end, I spent like 80 something rupees per day. Don't recommend grabbing your bicycle from your hotel. I do recommend grabbing a bicycle from the guys that rent it on the main road. You see? So this is what you can do on these rainy days. You can read a book over there. Isn't that amazing? Overall, this was an outstanding holiday, packed with tons of fun and bargains. We did so much in such little time, and it was all affordable. If you save money here and there, it'll all count when you sum it all up. Now, why should you visit Seychelles? Being it a supernatural archipelago of around 115 islands, there are so many places to see. The amount of beaches is outstanding, leaving you enough choice to have your own personalized spot. We usually get two different reactions when we ask people about Seychelles. One reaction is, wow, Seychelles, I wish I could go there. I'll go there when I have the money. Or when I get married, I'll go there. The second reaction is, oh, I prefer Maldives, much better beaches and easier to get around. Seychelles is too big and messy and dirty. Luckily for us, Seychelles isn't a target for mainstream tourists. They don't know how cheap and beautiful it can be. And the ones that come stay on the main island and go to the most commercial places, leaving the best to you. We really hope you loved this video as much as we did. Seychelles is paradise and will always be in our hearts. Love you all, subscribe, and bye.